Hey beauties, this is Gabby Leon and you are watching Gabby's channel. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a kind of like a get ready with me / work look. It's gonna be pretty fast, pretty easy, pretty simple, just because like in the mornings, you know, I work at a bank. So in the mornings, like I'm in a rush, or I'm not basically in a rush, but I'm just like trying to get my makeup done. Like it's an everyday look that I'm going to be doing for work. Sometimes I go a little bit over the top with my makeup look. Like I add a little bit of glitter, I add a little bit of shimmer and stuff like that. But right today it's going to be like pretty basic. It's going to be, I mean not basic, but it's going to be pretty simple for you to do when you're going to work. And I'll let y'all know what exactly I do. I'm pretty sure everybody's used to masks and stuff like that, so I'm not going to go too crazy on the bottom, just because, you know, we like under the mask nobody sees it, so it's like, why even put some makeup on there? No, but I put at least a little bit of foundation and stuff. So yeah, let's go over my makeup routine of what I do when I go to work, and it's gonna be pretty fast and simple, so I hope y'all like it. So first, I always moisturize. So I go in with my Clinique ID and I just moisturize all over my face. Guys, moisturizing before anything is so important because it keeps your face hydrated and not feeling dry and stuff. So now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. It's a quick little easy foundation. I use two just because I'm different colors. I change color. My skin changes colors like during the winter and during like the summer, just because I get more tan during the summer. So having two, I highly suggest, just because we change colors during the seasons. So I'm going in with my Clinique. This is color Oat, and this is from Dermablend. And this is 37W, I think, or something like that. All right, so now I'm just gonna go all over my face. So now I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. I don't wet it, I just leave it like this, just because when you wet it, it takes a ton of the foundation. We don't want that, so I'm just gonna blend it all over pretty quick. Hey beauties, this is Gabby Leon and you are watching Gabby's channel. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So alright guys, so now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So if you want to do it really quick, I would suggest a brow gel. I get mine from Anastasia and they're really quick and easy. So you can just, like, if you have eyebrows, you can definitely like just fill it in with a brow gel and you'll be good to go. But I don't really have a lot of eyebrows. I mean, I do have eyebrows, but they're very light, so I have to go in with a pomade, and this is from Anastasia as well. And the pomade is in ebony and this one is in dark brown. You gotta brush your eyebrows first, guys, arrange them, and then go in. Alright beauties, I am back. Okay beauties, so I am back and this is my final makeup look. I hope you guys really like it, and thank y'all so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It all means so much to me and I love y'all so much. And please guys, stay safe and be safe out there. And if you like this look, guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go in with my Dermablend banana powder, and I'm just gonna put it all over my face just to kind of set my foundation. Alright guys, so while I leave that powder on, I'm gonna go in with some eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow I'm gonna be going in with is from Jaclyn Hill, the Jaclyn Hill palette. I like this palette just because it has a lot of nudes that you can use every day. And the color I'm going to be using is this one right here, which is called Butter. And the brush that I'm going to be going in with is this little blending brush. It's from the Jaclyn Hill palette as well, and it's JH30. I love this brush so much just because it blends really well. Next, I'm gonna go in with this mascara. It's from It Cosmetics and it's called Lash Blowout. I love this one just because it grabs like the end of my eyelashes. Alright guys, so this color is very natural, very subtle. Since we want to make our eyes pop, I'm going to go in with the shimmer and then kind of put a little bit of glitter in my inner eye, just because when you have your mask on, like that's the only thing they see, you know? So your eyes is what needs to like kind of define you a little bit. First, I'm going to go in with shimmer. So the shimmer, I'm going to grab a little brush like this. It's just a little packing brush. I'm going to wet it just so that the shimmer catches on better. And I'm going to go in with this color, which is Beam. So I'm going to put this in my inner corner and on the outside of my eye. Alright guys, so now I'm going to grab a little bit of glitter. And I don't know where this is from, Weenie or something like that. And I'm just going to put it on my inner eye. Just because, you know, you kind of have to give it a little pop. You don't see anything else of your face. So, and it is Friday, so might as well go all out. So now I'm going to go in with my mascara. The mascara I'm going to be going in with is this Ultra Kel one. This one I use all the time just because it makes my eyelashes stay up. I've used other mascaras, guys, and all the other mascaras like bring them straight down when I curl them up, but this is the one that doesn't do that. Next, I'm gonna go in with this mascara. It's from It Cosmetics and it's called Lash Blowout. I love this one just because it grabs like the end of my eyelashes and it extends them even more. Okay beauty, so I am back and this is my final makeup look. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It will mean so much to me. If you like this look, guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I appreciate y'all so much for watching. And yeah, this is a final look. I am on my way to work, so it was actually perfect timing. Hope y'all stay safe and stay careful out there, guys. I know it's crazy right now, but please stay safe, and I appreciate everybody who watches my YouTube channel, and it means so much to me. And I hope this look really helped y'all so that when y'all go to work, y'all can create it too. All right guys, we'll see y'all next time. Bye beauties.